Hello students, this video is about how to avoid grammar mistakes. In this video, we learn the correct usage of articles. Before we get into this, let us see some of the nouns. Countable nouns, uncountable nouns, proper nouns, common nouns. Countable nouns can be counted as singular and plural. Uncountable nouns can be counted as only singular. Proper nouns like Sudha, Chennai, Madurai. Common nouns are like school, girl, mobile. Look at the first sentence. I have a Apple mobile, which is wrong. It should be written as I have an Apple mobile. You should use an before A, E, I, O, U. Look at this sentence. She is a MA graduate. And this sentence should be written as she is an MA graduate. Use a before every consonant. But if a consonant is part of an acronym like M, in MA, we should use an before M, like an MA, an MLA, an MP. I work in school. And you have to write the sentence as I work in a school. School is a common noun, so use a along with common countable noun. The driver was driving without license. And this should be written as the driver was driving without a license. License is a common noun. So use a along with common countable noun. She came without ID and should be written as she came without any ID. Look at two more sentences. It is an unusual problem. It is a universal problem. A is used before U if the sound is like U. University, unique, utility. A is used before H except in these cases an R, an honest man, and honor. She is without ticket is a wrong sentence. It should be written as she does not have a ticket or she does not have the ticket. All countable nouns in the singular require an article, either a or an or the. You cannot say she is without ticket. Instead, you should say she doesn't have a ticket or the tickets. Does she have one mobile phone? And it is like, does she have a mobile phone? Sai and Sam went to the movie. This one had already seen it. And this sentence should be written as Sai and Sam went to the movies. Sai had already seen it. The next sentence is all you need is the love. All you need is love is the right sentence. If a noun is uncountable, then a and are not used. You cannot say I need an information. Instead, you should say I need a piece of information, or otherwise you can say I need information. There is an definite article. A and an are indefinite article. Look at the sentence, the Sudha will go to the Chennai. And the sentence is wrong. It should be written as Sudha will go to Chennai. Do not use the definite article with proper nouns. Here, Sudha and Chennai are proper nouns. The diamond is a precious metal. Diamond is a precious metal is the right sentence. Do not use any article with material nouns. The dogs are faithful animals. Dogs are faithful animals is the right sentence. Omit the definite article before common nouns in the plural if used in general sense. The green is a beautiful color and should be written as green is a beautiful color. Do not use definite article before the name of colors when used as noun. His favorite game is the cricket. The correct sentence is his favorite game is cricket. Do not use an article before the name of games like football, hockey, tennis. The Sunday can be a day of prayer. Sunday can be a day of prayer. Do not use the definite article before the name of days and months. The next sentence, she cannot able to come. She cannot come, or you can write as she is unable to come. Can and able intend to give same meaning. So avoid using both can and able together. Thank you students. Thank you for your time. God bless.